Well, the rooms are ready about 10 minutes early, so we're gonna head down and check out our cabin. It's a porthole cabin. We haven't had one before, so we'll see what that's like. So Andrea, can you give us a tour of our cabin?
Yeah, again, this is a porthole cabin. We're in cabin 2221. So let's take a look. Let's start here. There is a thermostat here so you can control the temperature of your room. We have it set to the coldest. It's pretty good. And over here we have 2 shelves as well as the telephone.
And there's 2 USB-A ports right there as well. So if you have a USB-A cable, you can plug in there.
There's a drawer here that comes with a hairdryer. It is the built-in kind. It's not the strongest. Oh, there we go. But if it means packing a little less, it'll do the trick for me.
And then 2 more basic drawers.
2 more
there.
drawers. These 2 are the same.
They look fairly deep.
You do?
This is a really long kind of countertop here. Again, there's 2 more plugs here. So these are 120 plugs, the normal North American. And then there's a 220 over here. Now we like to bring these. They are a European plug with another USB-A and USB-C on them. You can plug that in there, and we've got some extra ports. So I'll put that in the description below if you do want to pick one up. But yeah.
What's this light here to switch? Oh, there is a light here. That's really great if you want to do your makeup or get ready.
Yeah. There's some more cabinets down there as well.
They are a little bit shallow, but maybe good for shoes or some small things.
Yeah. A little stool down there. And the TV is up on the wall here. So it's probably, I'm guessing, a 32-inch TV. It's quite small. Does it rotate at all?
Oh, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit of rotation.
It doesn't come
there.
out, but it does twist.
Bonus, one thing I want to show you, on the side of the TV here, there's 2 more USB-A ports. You can probably use those. And I see another 120 North American plug back there as well, which could come in handy if you need an extra plug. So this is the cool part.
I'm excited about this part.
The
really
portholes.
excited.
We've never had portholes before. It's dual portholes.
And then what? You can close them
You
too.
can close them. That's cool. So these must lift up like that.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sure that's how it works.
We'll just leave them open for now. And there is a curtain that you can pull so you can get it nice and dark in here.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. But that's good. Good. There is a nightstand here on this side of the bed, which is the same as the other side. But I noticed there doesn't appear to be any plugs over here.
No, but they do close up so you can
Yeah,
put
let me
stuff
open
in there.
that and you can see. Open.
Nice. And there is the main light switch in the middle of the bed there as well.
This is good though, the extra reading type lights.
There are switches on the side of those as well, I noticed.
Yeah, right on the edge.
Only part of it turns off.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
So Andrea, can you do me a favor? We've got our little magnetic hooks. Can you check if the walls are metal?
I'll see. Okay, well, this is
They
not
must be
gonna
metal.
work.
It's
They are
sliding.
metal, but they're definitely not gonna work if you're gonna hang up.
What
a
about the
hook.
ceiling?
Alright. Oh,
That's
yeah,
definitely
that's
got.
definitely,
So we can hang stuff there. What about in that area?
this is really strong grip in here.
Okay, so
Really
that is
strong.
metal. The ceiling's metal. If you do want some of these hooks, again, we'll link them below in the description. But they're great for hanging stuff. But you'll have to put them up on the ceiling to get the strength you need. All right, this side of the bed, Andrea.
So pretty much the same. Again, I don't see a plug over here, but it's another nightstand.
And then a little couch and
Now,
a table.
Yeah, I did notice on this side, this does open up.
Okay.
Oh, it is broken though.
Oh. Yeah. Well,
But
it's broken down there, but it does open up.
it does open.
All right, all the cupboards down here. Let's have a look. So
All
by
right.
the front door, the main door, some big
Okay.
cupboards.
Let's see.
We've got your bag in there.
Yeah. And there's a shelf up high, but this is the mini fridge, and I am
Okay.
definitely, or mini cooler. I'm definitely gonna call it mini because it's pretty shallow.
Yeah,
But
not
enough
very deep, but it'll
to
do
hold
the
some
trick.
beverages or whatnot is good. All right, come in this way again.
More hangers and a mirror,
Your full-size mirror. All right.
and some more bags down there.
One more closet door. Now this one, let's switch spots because it's a bifold and you have to open it from the other side.
The nice thing is there is a light here, so it's going to give us a little bit more light. So this is where you'll find your safe. Not the biggest safe. You can't fit a laptop in there, but good for your wallet and passports. And then some more shelving, and our life jackets are down there.
It's important to know, life jackets.
All right, Andrea. Time for
Check out the bathroom.
Bathroom. Let's go
I
in there.
haven't even looked in here yet.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. All right, come on in.
Start with the shower.
Start with the shower. Okay, so start with the good news.
Good news.
So I'm just over 5'11", and there's a lot of headroom in here.
That's nice.
That is good. And this is set, you can see. So if you're tall, it should be fine.
And that's adjustable?
It is, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And then we've got shower gel and shampoo, no conditioner. And there should be a retractable line up here as well.
Yes. So this is really good after you go swimming, so you can hang up your wet swimsuits.
Yeah.
Very handy.
Now the sad news.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Talk about it.
We don't need to talk about the shower curtain. Don't get stuck in the shower curtain.
Yeah, it'll be okay.
We've got the toilet, some different shelving down below, Kleenex, that sort of thing. All the towels, and then shelving on both sides, kind
It's
of
like
these
a
small
bar
ones.
of soap.
A bar of soap there. And that's it. That's the washroom.
Ta-da! And if you're curious, yes, the suitcase will fit under the bed. This is a 28-inch suitcase and it's still full.